You ever been scrolling Facebook and you see these great videos with music in them and you think, oh gosh, I want to have good music in my video, but I don't want to get sued, I don't want to get fined, and I don't want my video to get taken down. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find copyright-free music that you can use in all of your Facebook videos. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome to 5-Minute Social Media, where we help overwhelmed business owners become streamlined entrepreneurs by helping cut their social media workloads by 50 to 80%. That sounds like something you'd like to become. Take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. Also, if you're having any struggles with your social media at all, I want to give you this, my social media quick fix guide, whether you're struggling with engagement, reach, getting people to buy. Normally this is $19. It's free for my YouTube community, and I'll tell you how to get that at the end of this video. My name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. And today we're talking about how to get copyright-free music for your Facebook videos. And not just copyright-free, but like free. Music you don't have to pay for to use in your Facebook videos. So here's a video that's on my personal profile from a hike I went on, and I'm able to add music, and I can put it on Facebook, and I know I'm not going to get sued or fined or have the video muted or taken down. And the great resource for this is Facebook Creator Studio. Now, if you've never used it before, you don't have to use it for posting, although it is turning out to be quite a great tool. And I'll link to a Facebook Creator Studio tutorial in the description of this video. But even if you don't use it at all, you can still go there, facebook.com/Creator Studio, and this can be videos for your business or your personal life. And then down here on the left side on this menu, you're going to go to Creative Tools, and then you're going to go to Sound Collection. And this is, look at this, 8,800 tracks found that you can use for your business or personal videos on Facebook. Facebook has basically negotiated for all of this music to be used. You don't have to give credit or anything like that. They've also got a lot of nice search tools here at the top. So let's say you're looking for a certain sound. You can click on genres, and they've got quite a few genres here to choose from, so you could start with a very specific thing in mind. Also moods, if you're looking for a certain thing. So sometimes if I'm using it in not a video where I'm just looking for background music, but I want it to actually set a certain tone, then I might come in here and look for sentimental or suspenseful or energetic or different things like that. Durations, you can look and see how long the videos are and get the lengths that you want. And then they have videos that have vocals, and then videos that don't have vocals. Also, male and female, females only, male only, ensemble. So lots of different choices there. So you can narrow before you search, or if you want, you can just go here and start searching. So for example, recently I was putting together a video of a trip to Mexico that I took. And so I can just come in and search for Mexico, and all of these will come up. Now, ironically, these songs are not allowed to be used on YouTube. So I could hit play here, and it will basically start playing at the bottom, but you're not going to hear it, just FYI, because again, I can't have the music here on YouTube. But there's a sound bar down here if you want to skip ahead and get to a certain piece and see how far ahead it goes. Then if this is the music that you want, you literally just hit download right here, and it's going to download it to your computer as a WAV file, W-A-V, which most audio software will edit. And there's tons of stuff out there. You can convert it to an MP3 if you want to have that instead. So that's how easy it is. And even after I've got Mexico here, maybe the first 3 I listened to all had singing, and I don't want singing, I can choose no vocals, and now it'll revise it. So here's 8 tracks that are somehow tagged Mexico, and you can see here actually from the artist in those that do not have any vocals. And I can choose from those, and I can use them in my videos on Facebook without having to worry about it getting taken down or sued or fined or anything like that. Also here, I want to point this out, there's also sound effects. So same thing if you're looking for sound effects, and you can see there's almost 2,000 sound effects as of this recording. And so there's, a lot of different stuff. Let's see if I put in like a door closing, or here, metal door squeaks, creaky door close and lock, fridge door, small door, keys. There's 99 effects of a door here, and sometimes maybe you need a sound in your video to really make it pop. You can also look at the categories here and choose specific things. Maybe you're not looking for a realistic sound, but just like a production effect. So here's crashes, hits, and impacts, and here's a bunch of just different production effects that you could use to spruce up your audio of your video on Facebook. So again, get started by going to facebook.com/creator studio, and you can go here to creative tools and sound collection and use all of this in your Facebook videos. And as promised, if you are struggling with engagement, reach, sales, any of the big frustrating things about social media, I want to offer you this, the Social Media Quick Fix Guide. Normally this is $19, but I've decided to offer it to my YouTube family for free, so you can get it by using the link on the screen or in the description of this video. Thank you for watching today. You're not only supporting me, but also my two tiny superheroes at home. And if you're looking for more help growing your business with social media, check out the video on the screen right now.